Hello Fives, thanks for watching this video. I will show you how to take quality photos for our Photograph Common Objects task now available on the Spare 5 app on iOS. To start the task, carefully read the task instructions, choose an object from the list, read the object description, take a photo of that object using the iOS app, and follow the instructions to submit the photo. The quality of the photos you submit is very important. Spare 5 cannot pay for photos that do not meet the requirements of our 3 image quality categories: image content, image composition, and image lighting and focus. You can think of image content as what you are taking a photo of. All photos must feature real objects. Do not take photos of other photos, screens, or drawings of an object. Do not take photos of objects through glass or clear surfaces either. Photos that contain faces of people or photos of faces will be rejected. Avoid photographing clearly visible license plates as well. The photo you submit must not be cluttered. It should be clear upon first sight which object you meant to capture, and no part of said object should be blocked by another object or cut off by the edge of the image. In this image, for example, the nesting doll and the other objects are taking the attention away from the headphones, making it unclear which is the subject of the photo. Some of the other objects are also blocking the headphones, which is not allowed. Also, we know some objects will have logos, but make sure the logo doesn't cover more than 20% of the object or the image will be turned down. Image composition refers to the space the object takes up in a photo. To pass review, the objects must be fully contained within the image and larger than the yellow box on at least 2 edges. Objects must be completely visible within the photo. Keep in mind that on classes like wooden fence, guardrail, or brick wall, it is acceptable to not capture the entire object. Please submit images in the upright position. Sideways or upside down images will be rejected. The focus and lighting of an image are more self-explanatory elements, so let's take a look at some examples. This object is well lit and in focus. The magnified view shows that the object's edges are sharp. Dark and blurry images will be rejected. The edges of the object in this image are not clearly visible, which is why it doesn't meet our standards. If you had to outline the object in this picture, you would not have a clear idea of where the edges are. Avoid photographing glare, flare, or the flash of the camera. Images with a lot of glare bouncing off reflective surfaces will not pass review. Keep these guidelines in mind when you take pictures, and you will have a much better chance of your images passing review. But if you notice that your images are being rejected, review these guidelines again to make sure the quality of your photos is up to our standards. Thanks for watching and happy tasking!